Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be doing eyelid swatches of the Colourpop DREAMERY Super Shock Vault. If this interests you, then please keep watching. We're going to start off our first shadow with the color Ice Dream. It is described as an opalescent white with pink, violet, and blue duochrome effects. It is an ultra glitter. Right now I'm just going to tap it onto my eyelid so you can see the pigmentation and how it will look on dark skin. Next, I'm going with my brush. I'm just tapping it onto my eyelid and trying to build as much pigmentation as I possibly can. And here's a completed look of Ice Dream. The next color is called Frog. It is an icy silver purple with rainbow glitter. It is an ultra glitter color. Again, I'm going to tap it onto my eyelid so you can see the pigmentation that you're getting on a dark complexion. I'm now going in with a brush and trying to pat it onto my lid to try to get as much pigmentation as I can possibly get. Here is the completed look of Frog. The next shade is Catitude. Catitude is described as a pale champagne gold with gold and silver glitter. And Catitude is classified as an ultra metallic. Again, I'm showing you the pigmentation you can get from patting it on the eye. And now I'm going in with my brush and patting it on the lid so you can see how much it takes to build up this color and how it will look on a dark complexion. Here's the completed look of Catitude. The next color up is Lightning Bug. Lightning Bug is described as a golden copper with a ton of silver, and it is classified as an ultra glitter. Right here, I'm just tapping it on my lid. I'm now going to go in with a brush and try to build as much pigmentation as I possibly can, and this is how it would appear on a dark complexion. Here is the completed look of the color Lightning Bug. The next color up is called Solitaire. Solitaire is described as a pale gold with silver pinpoints, and it is classified as an ultra glitter. I'm now patting Solitaire on my lid. Are you enjoying this video so far? If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. I'm now going in with my brush and patting Solitaire on my lid. And here is the finished result of the color Solitaire. The next color up is called Set to Stun. Set to Stun is classified as an icy rose with blue glitter. This color is classified as an ultra glitter. I'm now patting Set to Stun on my eyelid. Here I am using my brush to apply Set to Stun on my lid. Here's the completed look of Set to Stun. Next color up is Moonwalk. Moonwalk is described as a satin rusty orange with a yellow-green duochrome flip. It is classified as an ultra metallic. Right here I'm patting Moonwalk on my lid with my finger. I am now taking Moonwalk on a brush and patting it on my lid. Here's the completed look of the color Moonwalk. The next color up is called Dream Lover. Dream Lover is described as a rich plum with blue and pink duochrome effect, and it is classified as an ultra glitter. I'm just taking my finger and patting it on my lid. I'm now taking Dream Lover and patting it on my lid with a brush. Here is the completed look of Dream Lover. Next up is the color DGAF. DGAF is described as a medium tone rusty brown topped with a multi-dimensional gold glitter, and it is classified as an ultra glitter. Right here I'm just tapping it on my lid with my finger. I'm now taking DGAF and patting it on my lid with a brush. And here's the completed result of using DGAF. In conclusion, I think these colors are really nice. The only problem I have is you have to use your fingers to get maximum pigmentation. And I noticed that when you use the brush, you get very little color and a lot of glitter flakes. Why don't you let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.